equation. Today we are going to discuss what? Chapter number 5, simultaneous linear equation. Correct? See, we have write the name of the chapter first. Chapter is simultaneous linear equation. See, we have discussed the linear equation ax plus b equals to 0. Correct? This type of equation we have discussed earlier. Everybody know about that, correct? The solution of this equation was, if I talk about what is the solution of this equation, tell me. Correct. Ax equals to minus b, and now x equals to minus b by a. X equals to minus b, sit down. Minus b by a is the solution of this linear equation. Correct? In this equation we have only one variable, which is x. Correct? But here we are going to discuss the equation which involves two variables. How many variables? Two variables. It looks like ax plus by plus c equals to 0. What is the equation? Equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0. ये इक्वेशन है, हिंदी बोल सकते हैं, ये इक्वेशन है, it has two variables x and y. So here we discuss the solution of the equation. Solution of the equation is x equals to minus b by a. What about this equation? What is the solution of this equation? देखो, what is the variable here x and y? तो इसका मतलब क्लियर है, we want to find the value of x and y, which is going to satisfy this equation, है ना? x ऐसा xy जो इस इक्वेशन को satisfy करेगा. Similarly देखो, ये x की वैल्यू minus b by a है.
But we are finding only x and y. There are three more variables.
No, these are constant beta, a, b, c. These are constant values. See, in this equation when we discussed, x was the variable and a, b was the constant value. Let me write 3x plus 5 equals to 0. For example, correct? 3 and 5 both are real numbers. Both are real numbers. They are constant. ये आपके constant है, इनकी वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं करनी होगी. Here we want to find only x. यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ x जानना चाहते हैं. That will be 3x equals to minus 5 and x equals to minus 5 by what it? तो अभी तो हम कह सकते हैं ना a and b are not variable. a b variable नहीं. Similarly here also a b c are real numbers. They are not variable. नहीं समझ रहे? अरे 5 और 3 की वैल्यू निकाल सकती हो, निकाल दो. ये तो ऑलरेडी कांस्टेंट है ना, तो ऐसे ही by comparing we can say a is 3 and b is 5. तो ये भी निकाल दोगे आप? ये भी निकालोगे क्या? ये भी नहीं निकालना है ना, यही मैं कह रहा हूँ. They are fixed values. A and b fixed value and these will be given in the question. ये आपको ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में हमेशा दिया ही है. और आप
A is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6.
हाँ, देख इस फॉर्म में दिया रहेगा. 3x plus 5 it is an equation. Find value of x ऐसा दिया रहेगा. तो you can by comparing say that sir a is 3 and b is 5. लेकिन ये given है. And these are real number. कोई भी real number हो सकता है. ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. 0.5 भी हो सकता है. 0.8 भी हो सकता है. Anything. But you will be finding x. आप क्या find करेंगे हमेशा? x. Similarly here you have to find x and y. The equation looks like 5x plus 3y plus 9 equals to 0. समझ गए ना? जैसे ये 5, 3, 9 मैंने खुद से लिखा है. ऐसे बुक में बहुत सारी वैल्यू खुद से लिखी है. Got it? A, B, C are real numbers. They are always given in the question. समझ रहे हो ना? And variable is x and y only. Got it? Now we want to find the value of x which is going to satisfy this equation. So इस equation को क्या करें? Satisfy. Satisfy means the LHS will become 0. Now this is LHS, that is RHS. 0 is the RHS of the equation and this is the LHS of the equation. Correct? तो हमें x और y की ऐसी वैल्यू रखनी है so that the equation LHS of this equation must be 0. ताकि 0 equals to 0 हो जाए and we can say that x and y are solution. समझ गए बात होगी? So if you want to find a solution from this equation only one, we have given only one equation here. There is no pair of equations. दो equations नहीं है. We have only one equation. तो इस चैप्टर का नाम है simultaneous, लगातार दो, लगातार एक साथ में दो रहे. Simultaneous linear equation means दो linear equation, correct? But अभी जो डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ it's only one linear equation. ये क्या है अभी? One linear equation. And we want to find a solution. How to find a solution? क्या solution find करें? If we have only one linear equation, we can find the value of y by putting the value of x. X की value you can take any value. For x you can take any value. What do you want to take? Tell me. 3. Let me take x3. X is 3. Then put the value of x in this equation and find y. 5 into plus 3 into y plus 9 equals to 5 is 15. 15 and 9 24. 24 and 3y equals to minus 24. Correct? तो ये पूरा ऐड हो गया 24. We go to the RHS negative sign and y equals to minus 8. Minus 8. फिर हो जाती है 3 8 20. Then y equals to minus. Similarly, you can find infinite solution of this equation. Correct? If the equation is only one, if the equation which has the two variable and the single equation, you can have the infinite solution. How? By selecting the values of x different, you can get the different y. x की अलग-अलग values आप देते रहोगे, y की अलग-अलग आती है, because x is not dependent, ना? x तो क्या है? तो आप पर है ना? x dependent नहीं है, y is dependent.
We can choose the value of x by ourselves.
हाँ,
Whatever number.
by yourself, whatever number you want. You just choose the x and find the y. If you put these values in this equation LHS, it will become 0. You can easily evaluate. बात तो समझ रहे हो ना? ये minus 8 और minus 8 जब LHS में रखोगे, this side will become 0. करके देखिए इसे. हाँ? देखो, in the place of x, let me write 3. 5 into 3 plus 3 into y is minus 8 and plus 9. 5 3 jam 15. 8 3 jam minus 24 plus 9. 15 plus 9 24 minus 24 0.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
X and y is the solution of this single equation which is two variable. समझ गए कि नहीं? जो दो वेरिएबल हैं. तो ये बात तो क्लियर हो गई सर कि if we have only one equation having two variable, in that case the solution of the equation is infinite. है ना? उस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? Infinite होगा. There is no fixed value. By taking the x, we can evaluate y. और ये क्या होगा? Infinite होगा. x को बहुत सारे नंबर दे सकते हो. प्लस से y आता है. But when the equation will be simultaneous or a pair of linear equation or what? Pair of linear equation. In that case, the solution will be unique.
We can choose the value of y also.
Y also and evaluate x. No way out. So I am asking that if you have a pair of equation with two variables, दो वेरिएबल हो और आपके पास कितनी इक्वेशन हो? दो इक्वेशन हो. In that case, if you are going to find a solution, you will have a unique solution. ऐसा होगा आपके पास unique solution हो, correct? And sometimes infinite solution हो. वो कैसे होगा हमें देखते हैं. बता दो ना. system of simultaneous linear equation. System of simultaneous linear equation. What is the system of simultaneous linear equation? It means, why we are saying system? It means that we have a two equations. कितने इक्वेशन है? Two equations. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Equation first and equation second. We have two equations. Equation first and equation second. Both are the linear equation which is having two variables. कितने वेरिएबल हैं इनमें? Two वेरिएबल हैं. बाहर जाओ. In this case, a1, b1, c1, what they are? They are constant, not variables. Any number they are. a2, b2, c2 they are any number. Correct? So now, if we find the value of x and y, आप कोई value x और y के लिए select करोगे, that is going to satisfy equation first as well as equation second. समझे कि नहीं? अब आपको ऐसी x y की वैल्यू निकालनी है जो इक्वेशन फर्स्ट को भी सेटिस्फाई करे और इक्वेशन सेकंड को भी सेटिस्फाई करे. जब ये सिंगल थी ना, only one equation when we have, we were only finding solution for that equation only. But यहाँ पर we are finding the solution for the both equation. और वो solution दोनों में सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए, एक में नहीं. है ना? For finding the solution we have three methods. In this case, for finding solution we have three methods. First method is, I have discussed that. Tell me what is the first method for finding the solution of pair of linear equation with two variables. First one is substitution method and second one is elimination method. Third one is cross multiplication method. Very good. Cross multiplication, correct? We have the three methods. By using these three methods, we can find the solution of this pair of linear equation, correct? तो इस केस में अगर हमारे पास pair of linear equation है, तो मैंने बता दिया कितने सॉल्यूशन होंगे हमारे? यूनिक हो सकते हैं. In this case, we have the three cases. हमारे पास कितने केसेस होंगे? Three cases. First one is we will have a unique solution. Second one is we will have an infinite solution. Sometimes in third case we will have a no solution. आपके बुक में डिस्कस नहीं हुआ ये चीज, लेकिन ऐसा होता है. इस बार नया बता दे रहा हूँ कि आपके पास जब भी इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे, समटाइम्स आपको यूनिक सॉल्यूशन मिलेंगे, समटाइम्स यू विल हैव इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन आल्सो एंड समटाइम्स यू विल हैव नो सॉल्यूशन. समझ रहे हो? डिपेंड करता है वो ये इक्वेशंस कैसी हैं. तो एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं एंड बाय यूजिंग द सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन. करेक्ट? अब समझ आ गया ना सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? सॉल्यूशन इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल व्हिच इज गोइंग टू सैटिस्फाई द गिवन इक्वेशन. समझ गए ना? लेट मी राइट माय एग्जांपल. And by example, you will understand what is the, with the help of example, we are going to understand what is the substitution method and how do we find it. 4x minus 3y equals to 8 and x minus 2y equals to minus 3. Equation first and equation second. We have two equations. Which method we are going to use? Substitution. Find out. आपको मैंने पढ़ाई दिया, जिन्हें पढ़ा दिया वो प्लीज सॉल्व इट. Tell me the answer. What is substitution method? Consider, listen, consider equation number first and find the value of x in terms of y. x को consider, इस equation first को consider करो and find the value of x in terms of y. See how. Consider equation first. 4x minus 3y equals to 8. By this equation, we are finding x. Then 3y will be go to the RHS. 3y is going to the 4x equals to 8 plus 3y and x equals to 8 plus 3y by 4. Any doubt? 4 and x both are in multiplication. We will go for the division. Then 8 plus 3y divided by 4. This is the value of x. Okay? Now put the value of x in the equation number and evaluate x number. This is equation number second. In place of x we will write 8 plus 3y divided by 4. So 8 plus 3y divided by 4 minus 2y equals to minus 3. 4 to the 8 plus 3y 4 to the 8 divided by 4 equals to minus 3. 8 plus minus minus 8 minus 3 5y divided by 4 equals to minus 3. You can take LCM. Same we will get. Now 4 into 3 4 into अरे डिनोमिनेटर में होगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो जाएगा 8 minus 5x equals to minus 12 5x को उधर ले लेते 12 को इधर ले लेते 5y 8 plus 12 equals to 5y 8 and 12 is 20 equals to 5y y equals to 20 by 5 5 4 जा y is 4 सही है ना y is 4 now by taking the value of y we can evaluate x from this statement है ना x y equals to 4 4 3 is 12 12 is 8 20 20 by 4 4 5 is 20 x is see we got y equals to 4 y equals to 4 y equals to 4 and x equals to 5 these are two values इसको आप इसमें रखोगे ना ये पूरा क्या हो जाएगा satisfied अभी देखो आप y equals to 4 रखो और x equals to 5 इधर आपको क्या मिलेगा पता 8 क्या आएगा 8 करके देख लेते हैं 4 3 is 12 and 4 5 is 20 minus 12 जहाँ भी x और y correct for x equals to 5 y is 4 4 to the 5 minus 8 minus 3 ये वैल्यू दोनों ही इक्वेशन को क्या कर रही है सेटिस्फाई कर रही है और हम यही निकालना चाह रहे हैं और यही हम हाँ हो जाएगा और कैसे इसकी हम वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं वेरिएबल की,